Did you know that Osaka is often called Japan's kitchen, not just because of its food, but because of its bold, energetic personality? This is a city where people live to eat, laugh loudly, and enjoy life to the fullest. Planning your first trip here might feel overwhelming, but with the right plan, you can experience Osaka's highlights, hidden gems, and unforgettable flavors in just 3 incredible days. From ancient castles and peaceful shrines to neon-lit streets, world-class theme parks, and some of the best street food on Earth, this itinerary is designed to give you the full Osaka experience. This is your ultimate 2026 guide to spending 3 perfect days in Osaka. Let's begin. How to get around Osaka. Getting around Osaka is refreshingly easy. The city is built around a highly efficient rail and subway network, with the Osaka Loop Line acting as a central circle connecting major districts. JR Pass works on JR lines like the Loop Line subways, and private lines require separate tickets. That's why the best option is an IC card, ICOCA/Suiza/Pasmo. Tap-and-go convenience works across trains, buses, and even convenience stores, saves time and eliminates the need to buy tickets constantly. Trains run frequently, signage is English-friendly, and delays are extremely rare, making Osaka one of the easiest cities in the world to navigate. Where to stay in Osaka? Choosing the right location will completely shape your experience. Best areas: 1. Kita, Umeda area. Ideal for transport connections, best for day trips, Kyoto, Kobe, Nara. More business-like atmosphere. 2. Namba/Shinsaibashi, recommended, heart of Osaka nightlife and street food, walking distance to Dotonbori. Perfect for first-time visitors, unique stay option. Try a Japanese capsule hotel. Some even have ninja or geisha themes with artistic interiors inspired by traditional woodblock prints. Budget-friendly, around $20 to $40 per night. Clean, efficient, and uniquely Japanese. Day 1. Ancient Osaka history, culture, and classic city views. Start your day early. Osaka rewards early risers. Farning, Osaka Castle and Park. Begin at Osaka Castle Park, one of the city's most iconic landmarks. Walk through wide-open grounds, scenic pathways, and seasonal gardens. Spring, cherry blossoms everywhere. Late winter, plum blossoms. Autumn, golden foliage. While the castle itself is a reconstruction, the top-floor observation deck offers sweeping views across Osaka. Late morning temples and shrines. Head to Osaka Tenmongu Shrine, dedicated to the god of learning. If visiting in July, you might catch the Tenjin Festival, one of Japan's biggest celebrations. Alternatively, visit Shai-Tennoji Temple, one of the oldest Buddhist temples in Japan. Outer grounds, free inner garden, small fee, peaceful and beautiful lunch. Shinsekai District, step into a completely different atmosphere in Shinsekai, a nostalgic district that feels frozen in time. Bright signs, old-school arcades, and retro charm define this area. Must try kushikatsu, deep-fried skewers of meat and vegetables, crispy, flavorful, and incredibly addictive. Important rule: no double dipping in the sauce. Afternoon, retro vibes and exploration. Wander through Shinsekai streets, try street snacks, and soak in the local vibe. Optional: visit Tennoji Zoo or explore nearby shopping streets. Sunset, Abeno Harukas. Head to Abeno Harukas, Japan's tallest skyscraper, 300 meters. Observation deck offers panoramic views. Sunset here is unforgettable. Watch Osaka transform as city lights turn on. Dinner, okonomiyaki. End your day with Osaka's iconic dish, okonomiyaki, a savory pancake made with cabbage, meat, seafood, and topped with sauce and mayo. Many restaurants cook it right in front of you or let you try making it yourself. Day 2. Unique Osaka hidden gems, plus culture, and nightlife morning. Namba Yasaka Shrine. Start at one of Osaka's most unique spots. This shrine features a giant lion head stage, 12 meters tall, believed to swallow evil spirits. bring luck in business and studies. It's quiet, surreal, and unlike any other shrine in Japan. Midday, Den Town, Osaka's answer to Akihabara, perfect for anime lovers, gamers, collectors. You'll find retro games, manga stores, cosplay shops. If visiting in spring, you might catch the Nippon Bashi Street Festa, a massive cosplay event. Optional nature escape. Want a break from the city? Minu Park, waterfalls, hiking, seasonal beauty. Expo 70 Park, cherry blossoms, and the iconic Tower of the Sun. Afternoon and evening Dotonbori. Welcome to Osaka's most famous district. Dotonbori is pure energy. Neon lights. Street performers, endless food. Canal, take photos and explore side streets. Hidden gem. Visit Hosenji Yokocho, a quiet alley with a moss-covered statue. Offer water for good luck. Food tour. Osaka is all about eating. Must-try foods. Takoyaki, octopus balls, okonomiyaki, kushikatsu. Tip: takoyaki is extremely hot. Be careful. Not into seafood? Osaka has incredible ramen, rich, flavorful, and everywhere. Nightlife. Osaka. Nightlife is fun, friendly, and social. Options: bar hopping in Namba, retro gaming bars, izakayas, Japanese pubs, or try something unique. Team Lab Botanical Garden. A magical nighttime experience where art, light, and nature merge into interactive installations. Day 3. Wild Osaka theme parks and modern attractions. Full day Universal Studios Japan. Spend your final day at USJ, one of the best theme parks in the world. Highlights: Super Nintendo World, Wizarding World of Harry Potter, thrilling rides and shows. Important tips: arrive early. Book timed entry tickets. Consider Express Pass alternative plan. Not into theme parks? Visit Osaka Aquarium, Kaiyukan. World class with a massive whale shark Tempozan Ferris wheel. Great views. Osaka Bay cruises, relaxing and scenic. Easy day trips from Osaka. Osaka is the perfect base for exploring Kansai. Kyoto, 30 minutes. Temples, culture, history. Nara, 45 to 60 minutes. Friendly deer and ancient sites. Kobe, 30 minutes. Famous beef and harbor views. Himeji, 1 hour. Japan's most beautiful castle. How to save money. Get the Osaka. Amazing pass, unlimited transport, free entry to major attractions, discounts across the city, starts at around $19 and can easily pay for itself in one day. Best time to visit Osaka Spring, March to April. Cherry blossoms, most popular season, summer June to August, festivals and fireworks, very hot and humid, autumn October to November. Best overall, comfortable weather, stunning fall colors, winter December to February, fewer crowds, light festivals, and cozy food. Final thoughts, and there you have it. 3 unforgettable days in Osaka. From ancient temples and towering skyscrapers to neon-lit streets and world-class food, Osaka is a city that never stops surprising you. It's bold, it's fun, and it's full of flavor, both in its cuisine and its culture. Once you visit, you'll understand why so many travelers fall in love with Osaka. Which part of this itinerary are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in Japan.